Welcome back. So, yeah, so do you have any questions? Shilpi, saying something or so? Yeah, Shilpi, do you have any question?
Fine. No.
Right.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Can you hear me? Now I can't hear you if you are speaking.
Yes.
Hmm.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes. Now. Right. So, so now we actually understood the virtual background video filters recording the session. Recorded file will appear like this. Then we are going to understand now how to upload it on YouTube. So first of all, YouTube is one application which comes by default with the Google Workspace. If you go to your Gmail, then at the top, the square dots are there. If you click onto that, then you will find all the apps available within the Google Workspace, in which YouTube is one app, which is a video sharing website. And you can upload a video and share it online with your audience. Now,
Can you repeat this?
yes, yes. YouTube is a website, to share your videos. So you can create a video or record the Zoom session. So what we are going to understand now, that how to upload a Zoom session on YouTube. Now, because see, the Zoom gives you the capability to have your live conversation, live session, and get it recorded also. But what about sharing? Because the video files are heavier files. It cannot be shared through the emails or through WhatsApp or social media easily. If it is a heavy file, like suppose if it is a 40 minutes conversation, then it's almost a quarter GB of the space. So sharing it using the social media directly, the file is very cumbersome. So you need a platform to upload that video and share it. YouTube actually provides that platform. So on YouTube, you can upload the video and you can share it further with your audience. Right. And same way, you can definitely do it on Facebook also, but we have just picked up one option out of many which are considered to be most popular. So we can sometime we can explore the Facebook uploading also, but for now we are trying to understand the YouTube. So YouTube is an application within the Google Workspace, and how to locate it within the Gmail. You see the top dotted square. If you click that, then all the apps available within the Google Workspace will appear, in which you will find the YouTube option. Now, YouTube actually has got multiple features related to uploading the video, even editing the video. So there are a lot of features, as we were discussing about Zoom also. The n numbers of settings are available, features are available, but we have picked up few features for the purpose of our facilitation, simple facilitation. So similar way, we'll understand YouTube specifically under the light of this usefulness of uploading a video and sharing it simply. So YouTube Studio, through which you can upload your content, the video contents. So you see the website is studio.youtube.com. If you are already logged in your Gmail, then you will be allowed to enter into this YouTube Studio also using the same ID password. It's a Google Workspace actually uses the same ID password for an individual user for all of its applications. Now, let's try and understand how to upload a video on YouTube using the YouTube Studio. If you click the create option available at the top right corner, if you click the create option, then there is a drop down menu with two options, upload video and go live. The upload video option is the option which one needs to click to upload a video from your computer. So after you have the converted video file on your computer, you have to choose this upload videos. So when you click this upload video, then this small window will appear which says upload videos, and you can just drag and drop that particular file on this page and it will start uploading. And you have an option to give a title to the video. As you see, the title needed, and also you can give a description, a suitable description, and you will see immediately the moment you start uploading, there is a link created by YouTube. Right side, do you see the video link? So that link can be shared with the participants. But if you are conducting a course, suppose, then it's not a single link or a single session that you are going to conduct. For example, this RFP program, since the last 9-10 months we are continuing. I think 11th month is continued. So till now 100 sessions have been conducted. Today 2 sessions will be added, so 102 videos. So 102 videos all together to upload. You need to create a playlist. Playlist is nothing but a collection of videos of yours. So a course can be converted into a playlist, and that option comes while uploading the video itself. If you go down, then there are options of using a thumbnail. Thumbnail is the description of the video as an image, which will appear when people select your videos. Before playing, that will appear as a background. Now below which you see the playlist option. Playlist has got a drop down select option where all the playlists that you have already created will be available, and you have an option to create a new playlist also. So I repeat, when you click the drop down of select under the playlist, you will have all the playlist that you have created so far, and you can select a specific playlist and in which the current video will be included. Alternatively, you can create a new playlist also, and you can keep on adding videos to that particular new playlist. So this is the way we actually upload a video on YouTube. Now, after creating the playlist appears like this. It's a single link that you can share. That link is at the website at the top, what it's called, the domain bar. At the top that you see youtube.com/something. So that is the link of the playlist, and which can be obtained by clicking the share button, also available on YouTube. So now it's a screenshot of our RFP group meetings, RFP 2021 group meetings. You see 100 videos are there. How many views are there, that also will be recorded. And last update option. So this is the playlist, how it appears on YouTube. So now what we'll do, we'll I think Shilpi is getting dropped off. Right, so we'll wait for some time. The previous session is getting converted right now. So what we'll do, we'll see how it happens actually. I'll share my screen and I'll actually upload this previous session on YouTube in the same playlist. So you'll be able to see how that can that happens actually. So it's 85% already converted. So let's wait for some time, then we'll upload it actually. Yeah. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt or anything, you can ask.
Session where all of us, one part we all do.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Or something.
We'll do that,
Yeah.
because the final assignment that you all are going to be doing, that will be hands-on practice of the uploading and all executing this. But today in this session itself,
but this
cannot hear you.
Sorry, I'm saying if we could do a practice of that.
Yes. That's what when you were dropped off.
Can you hear? Yeah.
When you were dropped off, we proposed
that
right now what we are going to do is uploading a session which just happened, the first session. It's already recorded, got converted. Now I'll start from the scratch, showing a demo.
That would be great.
Yeah, showing a demo how this happens. Yeah, just a second. Yeah. So I'm sharing my screen. I'll be sharing the whole screen so that, yes. So can you see my screen?
Right. Yes.
So I am on studio.youtube.com. Studio.youtube.com. You see at the top. So there, when I went, I see a create option at the right top. In this create option, if I click, then I see two options in the drop down. One is upload videos and second is go live. So you can go live also using YouTube. That's a queue that you get. But right now we are trying to understand how to upload videos. So when I click this upload videos, this particular window opens up. This particular window opens up, which gives you option to select a file. This option is also there. Otherwise, you can drag and drop your videos to upload. Drag and drop your videos to upload. Now, this particular video, which got converted, the morning video, just now we finished. So in which you see all these options, the video files, the audio files, the converted files, in which these are technical things you can avoid. So now our point of focus are the audio file and the video file. But since we are uploading to YouTube, so we'll be just picking up the video and dragging it to the YouTube. So now it is getting uploaded. I've just dragged and dropped it on that window. Now in this particular, we can give a title. So usually we are following this pattern of title, that date followed by the topic perhaps. So the topic was Zoom virtual background and recording. These were the primary topics. Now you can opt to give a description. Here we don't give, that's why you can skip it, but you can give. That's an optional thing. Now thumbnail, thumbnail is that image that appears on the video. For example, this is, we see this particular playlist. Yeah. So these are the thumbnails which appears, with the video. These are called thumbnails. So these thumbnails can be, so for example, these first two thumbnails were images which I have uploaded, clicking this particular upload thumbnail option. But just in case you are not able to upload the image, create the image, then upload the image, we'll understand how to create these images later on, which is quite similar to create the virtual background also. So for now, let's try and understand that if I'm not able to upload a thumbnail, then YouTube on its own will select a thumbnail. As you see on this particular playlist, there are default thumbnails appearing, which are technically selected by YouTube. Mostly these are thumbnails which are technically picked up. So those thumbnails will appear in these three options. Out of these three, you can choose any, or by default, it will be choosing one of the three. Now below which you see the playlist. Are you guys able to follow, or is it still? Okay, Shilpi.
Yes, how did you go here?
Okay, so here actually we clicked the create option at the top. Just a second. Let me go to
so all
studio.
this is to be done on Studio YouTube?
Yes. So
the
on
uploading
Studio,
has to happen on
yes,
Studio.
Yes, on Studio, you see the create option at the right top. So you click this, then upload videos. Here you drag and drop the video that you are going to upload.
Okay.
So that's how we came to this particular. So after uploading, you have an option to give the title, give the description, upload a thumbnail, or pick up a thumbnail. There are thumbnails being auto-generated in this case. Now the playlist. If you click the drop down, then you see the playlists that are created previously. So now the RFP group meeting, the playlist that we have selected. Alternatively, you can create a new playlist also. Now click done. Then YouTube actually has a vertical called YouTube Kids also. So they actually collect a consent while uploading the videos, that whether it is made for kids or not. So we click it that it's not made for kids. Then we click the next. Right below corner, next. Do you see the cursor? So I click the next. Then you see that details are posted. Now video elements, these are nothing to be done from our side for now. Otherwise, you can keep on giving ornaments to your videos. You add an end screen, you add cue cards during the videos to direct the audience to somewhere else, all those things. So we are not going to cover all these things right now. Now, this is a technical copyright check that will be done technically by YouTube. You do not have anything to do here. Next is the visibility. The visibility, the video that you are uploading, whether you want to make it public, make it unlisted, or make it private. Now, what are the difference between these three? Public video will be available in the search of YouTube, depending upon the title that you give. And unlisted videos will be available to the people who do have the specific link of your video. For example, if it is uploaded in a playlist and that playlist is shared, then people get to watch that video because through the specific link they are directed to that video. So for this RFP meetings, we keep it unlisted because it is people specific requirement. So that's why we don't keep it public. And private is your repository.
What does unlisted mean?
Unlisted means it is not publicly listed on YouTube.
But if I look for it, I will find it?
No, you will not be able to unless you have the link.
Okay. So it is as good as private.
Not exactly. Private means it is your own repository which you cannot share also.
Oh, so private doesn't mean like share with whoever is interested.
Okay, so private means your video can be shared with specific people, and unlisted means the link is shared and further that link can be shared. So I share a link with Shilpi. Shilpi can share it further, but if I private,
that can't happen in private.
Yeah, Shilpi cannot further share it with anyone. Yeah,
fine.
Right? That's the difference.
Yeah.
Now it is already done. The visibility also opted, and you can schedule to make it public. Like suppose you want that this particular video which I am uploading today should be going public on 1st of September. That you can schedule it from here. So these are the final, and you see the link also is generated already, which you can see anyway from the first screen itself. So now see the thumbnail is selected by default. You see, so we can change the thumbnail by choosing a separate thumbnail out of the auto generated thumbnail. So right now I've chosen this particular thumbnail. Now we are going to publish it. The moment you click the save, it will be published. Now you have the link. That link also can be shared, and on social media also you can share. Now see, in this particular playlist, if you refresh, now see it's still 100 videos, but the 101st video is already uploaded. So we are going to refresh the link. Now you see 101 videos. And the video that we have just uploaded is just added at the bottom. 11 June, Zoom, virtual background and recording. So this is how we can upload a Zoom recording to YouTube and create a playlist also. Yes. Any question or any clarification? Shilpi, could you follow the steps? I don't know what network status at your end? Because today it seems that you are dropped out.
Sorry.
Could you follow the demonstration, the live demonstration?
Yes, yes, quite a bit. We'll have to do it.
Yes, on your own,
I
you have to
think.
do it. Then only you will be able to
Yes,
understand.
but quite a bit.
Like the experience, we discussed yesterday.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah.
Unless it is your own experience, it is meaningless.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Great.
But I didn't know only the studio, YouTube studio. I'd never explored this.
Yes, yes, yes. So there are lot many things actually. So, great. So if you guys have any question or any point to discuss, we can continue. Otherwise, we'll call it a day for today.
Yes, I think.
Nandini, is it okay? You're mute, Nandini. You're mute. Yeah.
I will have to figure
Yes.
this out.
Yes, yes, you have to. So what we'll do, we'll share the presentation also, but this presentation is a progressive presentation. So what we'll do, we'll share the slide, which I'm keeping that keeping that on the Google Drive, and we'll keep on adding further. I think it is already shared. It is already shared with you all under the third module folder. So I'll share the
Okay.
link once again, so that the slide also can be referred to, and the video recording is already there, right? And then let me know after you arrange a laptop, then we can even connect one-to-one and understand things, try and explore together.
Right.
Right. Okay, then see you next week, and within the week also we keep on talking. So whenever you sense a need to talk, then just let me know. I can schedule a session. Take care.
Thank you.